Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a back to spawn item in Minecraft Bedrock Edition that works just like this. Now if you've searched YouTube and you tried to look for videos just like this but it kept saying like execute at E was invalid and stuff, that's because the execute command for Minecraft Bedrock Edition has updated and it's no longer like that. So if like every other video on YouTube is outdated, then this one's going to be the one for you. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to get a pressure plate button or lever, something like that, that goes to the command blocks, and you want to make the command blocks face the same direction, so the impulse command block is facing the repeating command block. And then the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the impulse command block, make the condition unconditional, and redstone needs redstone. And then the first command you're going to do /title @p and then r equals 2 and then title and then whatever you want to say when you step on the pressure plate. I'm just saying welcome because like welcome to the server, whatever. And then after that you place a repeating command block that's facing the same direction. Make it unconditional, always active. And then for the command you want to do /replaceitem entity @p r equals 3, which basically looking for someone that's in a radius of 3. And then slot.hotbar, and then whichever hotbar slot you want it in. So 0 would be the first slot, which is this one. And if you do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now if you want it to be in your inventory, you could just look it up because I don't really know the numbers for that. But after you've done that, it's basically saying that it's going to replace whatever in your first hotbar slot and replace it with the item. Now if you're looking at myname spawn and you're like, what the heck is that? Well, what you gotta do is you have to go to https://web.blockbench.net and it will bring you to this page. And what we're going to be doing is creating a custom item just for like the purpose of the name, because if you created, it's not like any commands or a mod, it's like a resource behavior pack kind of thing. So what you want to do is you want to go to Bedrock entity, create new model, and then you can press cancel and go to file, plugins, and you want to look for a plugin that's Minecraft Item Wizard. Then you want to press the install button, and after you have it installed you should go to file and then new, and you should see Minecraft Item Wizard here. All you have to do is click that, and then for this you could do a preset as an iron ingot because it is technically an item, which is what I'm doing. So you do iron ingot, then name. This is whatever it's going to be called. We named it spawn, so you can name it spawn. You could actually change the thing before it to whatever you want to make it shorter, but I'm keeping it as my name spawn. Stack size, for the server purpose you want to make it 1, and then this stuff does not matter. Functionality, you can make this do some other stuff. Design, and that's it. If you want it to be an iron ingot, that could be it, but the design you can change it if you want. And then the pack name, you can change it to like spawn, and then press next for it to download in your upper right corner. Now after your pack is downloaded, you want to go to the world that you're doing your commands in. You want to go to add-ons, resource packs, and then look for my packs, and you should see this, something that looks like this, and you want to make sure you press activate so it's in your active tab, and same for behavior packs, you want to make sure this is active. And then you can go ahead and press play on your world, and once you're back here you go to here, and then this is where the myname spawn comes in. You want to put the item of like your thing, and I named it spawn. I had to put this instead of just like iron ingot because the thing that's appearing in your hotbar would just be called iron ingot, and I'm pretty sure you want it to be called spawn if it's teleporting you to spawn, just saying. And then after that, you could build this however far away you want. Put a repeating command block, unconditional, always active. And for the command, you want to do execute at e space square bracket type equals item comma name equals spawn. You have to make sure it says spawn because that's the name of the item. Then square bracket space squiggly line, squiggly line, squiggly line, title at p, then from a radius of 3, title welcome to spawn. This is optional. You don't actually have to put this. This is just the title of what it's going to say once like you return to spawn. Then the next command block, you want to make it a chain unconditional always active. Then you don't need the slash. Execute at e space square bracket type equals item comma name equals spawn. And then after the square bracket and the space, you want to put run. So it's going to run the command teleport the player in a radius of 3 to the coordinates of your spawn, and those coordinates is this pressure plate right here. Now after that, you want, by the way, you want to make them all facing the same direction because it's a chain command block. And the last command is important, chain unconditional always active, and you want to make sure it kills at e the item called spawn. So you want to make sure it kills that item when you drop it, so you don't like pick it up again. It kills it, and then once you get to spawn, it'll just respawn like this. Kills the item and spawns it back. Now if someone else is standing on the pressure plate and it's deactivating, that is the entire purpose of, if I can get to it, purpose of this right here. So it's constantly, it has a 0 tick delay, as you can see, so it's happening every single tick. It's constantly replacing the first slot hotbar, this, so whenever you drop it, no matter where, it's always going to respawn in your hotbar, and you can always spawn. Now thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and I certainly hope it doesn't get outdated again because that would suck. And have a good day.